Hi, all of you. Let us discuss Essay 250 Laws and Regulations Affecting an Organization. Have you remembered about Bhopal gas leakage disaster in certain years back? The company has emitted the poisonous gas, and many people, those who has smoked, will died. We know that. Some industry were emitting pollutions through the air. Some other industries in water, waste removals, polluted waste industries are operating. They are under control of pollution control board. What will happen? The industry does not comply with those pollution control norms. It has to be shut down. One example recently happened: a company whose wastes were emitted in the river, and the fishes in the rivers were died, lack of oxygen. Eventually the pollution control board will take an action to close, shut down such dangerous organizations who are not fulfilling the norms. Food industry, we know there is a food safety standards. Few years back we know about Maggie story, some content of masala, something, some problems has happened, and Nestle has settled those cases. This is also comes under foods and safety. So complaints of laws and regulations were very important. GST law, we know what is the problems with GST laws. If you make delay in payments, shortfall in payments will attract late filing fees, 5000 rupees ka fees. Then interest is calculated on daily basis. Suppose the tax figure is 5 lakh, we are outstanding for making the payment. What are the consequences? It will be attracted. Heavy penalties. So, if we are living in India, the government is running by the taxes. They only have fund for election, but administration thinks they need money through the tax mechanism. So it is essential to comply with all laws and regulations which is affecting our organization. And today's standards is discussing about what are the auditors duty, what are the items auditors should be done with respect to the laws and regulations. So let us start the discussions. Two type of laws and regulations are there. We have discussed before about pollution control, food and safety rules, all which are not directly affect financial statement, whereas GST, goods and service taxes, direct taxes, excise duties, which is merged now, but liquor still excise duties, customs duties, all which influence the financial statement. If any dues in the taxes, penalty, interest, all will impact the financial statement. So it's our duty. Take take a list of laws and regulations which are applicable to my organization. How I will understand that? Go and ask with the TCWG or the legal department or an advocate. They are retained basis may be there. Take a list of what are the laws and regulations which are applicable for that entity. Classify those affecting financial statement, those not affecting financial statement. Ensure at least the compliance with the laws and regulations which are not affecting the financial statement. Compliance with pollution control board standard is very much important. Food and safety standard is very much important. We have to ensure whether we have complied with all those norms. Second, affecting financial statement, what we have to do? Every rules have a due date for making the tax payment. Make a due date calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Likewise, prepare a due date calendar every month. For an example, GST. Every month, whatever GST collected has to be paid before 20th of next month. We have to ensure every month GST we have collected properly at the right rate. We had made payment on or before due date. If not, mention it in our auditor's report. Direct taxes, whether we have omitted to deduct TDS, it's a violation as far as the direct tax is concerned. Identify those things, report it in our auditor's report. And this is our small, minute gap discussion, SA 250. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget the comment box for the notes. This standard is applicable for CA final students. Have a nice day ahead.